Sir, can I have your name?
Good afternoon, Michael Grab.
Good afternoon, council appearances.
Joe Jacuback for the state.
Claudia Fleshman on behalf of Mr. Grab. We received a copy of the complaint. We waive a formal reading of that complaint and would like to enter a plea of not guilty.
All right, so you're here because you're charged with a criminal complaint. Will be provided with a copy of your complaint. Reading of your complaints waived by your attorney. Therefore, I'm going to review your case. Set conditions of pretrial release. Court has been provided with a public safety assessment on its offended. Indicates that he received a PSA score of 1 out of 6 for failure to appear, 1 out of 6 for new criminal activity. Recommendation to the court is that he be released with conditions of monthly reporting. The state object to that PSA result.
No, Your Honor, no objection. The state would request that the defendant refrain from possessing a firearm or other weapon and comply with the DCP&P investigation. In terms of a no contact order, given the position of the victim, that's not something that the state's requesting at this point.
No objection to that, Your Honor.
All right, state, I've heard from the parties ready to make a decision to release the defendant on pretrial monitoring level 1. And I'm going to set the following conditions. In order to set the following conditions, the defendant shall appear for all scheduled court proceedings, shall immediately notify pretrial services of any change of address, telephone number, or contact information, shall not commit any offenses during the period of release, is to refrain from possessing a firearm until further order of the court, and is to cooperate with any investigation and recommendations of DCP&P, and to report to pretrial services telephonically once per month. So you're going to receive a copy of the court's release order. It will have the conditions of your release. You must comply with those conditions or your release may be revoked and a warrant issued for your arrest. Next court appearance is a pre-indictment conference, January 20th, courtroom 501 before Judge Flynn at 9 o'clock in the morning. And you do need to contact pretrial services tomorrow afternoon at 2 o'clock for your initial reporting date. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
All right, counsel, thank you. That concludes the calendar for today.
Thank you.
Take care, Your Honor.
For matters, court's adjourned.